morning from Kazakhstan. This is the 20th floor of the Hotel Kazakhstan Express, an iconic hotel. It has been here for 50 years, and look at the view from the hotel. The mountain range with the snow-capped peaks, absolutely stunning. And it's a beautiful property. 28 floors, I think, and there's a revolving restaurant on the top. Absolutely fantastic view. We are in Almaty, and these are the Tian Shan mountains that we can see from our hotel room. We are on the 20th floor of the iconic Kazakhstan Express Hotel, and we'll be going to the mountains to visit the ski resort today. Absolutely unbelievable beauty.
See? Class 7.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So we've reached the first station of the Shymbulak ski resort. It's absolutely stunning.
It's
Beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Amazing place.
Even believe me, the
Tintin.
Europeans
Beautiful.
here because in
Alpine Park. Beautiful. Shymbulak ski resort. Wow. Hey, there's snowmobiling also.
Paragliding, we have many.
So we are going to go into the cable car to Shymbulak ski resort. So we've done the first part of the Shymbulak ski resort, going up, and now we are at the second station, and there are lots of skiers here, and can either go up in the ski lift or in the cable car. Dastan, we can go in the skis.
It's only for skiers.
Only for skiers, we are not allowed. The sun is coming up, it's looking beautiful. Nice. And the people skiing there. Nice. Oh, the sun is up. Beautiful. sun makes tourism fun. You liking it, Bindu? Yeah. What do you think? So we are at Shymbulak, 3,200 meters in the Tan Shine mountain range, and there is my dear wife. So we are in the second station in the ski resort. Absolutely stunning scenery. Oh, it's so wide that you can barely see anything. Beautiful. Hello. So we are in Kazakhstan. It's beautiful. So we are in the top now. That's a 5-star hotel.
Yes.
Oh, it doesn't look like one though. So this is the which peak were you saying is 5,000 meters?
That behind the clouds, you
Yeah.
can see. This is 4,000? This is to glacier. To glacier. Always ice even in summertime.
Nice. And there's a view of Almaty from the top of Shymbulak. Beautiful stuff. Wonderful. So the skiing route starts here. People are skiing all the way down where we started. I wish I could do that. Maybe in another life. Someday. And that's Almaty. Amazing. The world is amazing. Ene, take a video. Me and Mama. We're at the top of Shymbulak in Kazakhstan. It's amazing. The world is amazing. Travel more. Travel more. See the world, they say.
The glaciers there.
The glaciers. Oh, we can see the glacier. See the ice.
See the glaciers. Look at the face of this mountain. Amazing.
It's a wee bit chilly now. the Big Almaty lake, and the glorious globetrotter Tintin is looking at a frozen, beautiful water body. It's just mind-blowing. And normally the color of this lake is turquoise blue, but it's the beginning of April and it's still absolutely frozen. Absolutely stunning. What do you think, Babu?
Amazing. I've never seen a frozen lake before. This is so cool at the same time.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. Just look at that. Beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. Frozen lake. Absolutely stunning. That just fascinates me. And our guide was telling us that it will take around 800 kilometers if you go around the mountain. So they're planning to make a route between the two mountains by horse, so people can go camping and go see the Isukul Lake. Yeah, it's absolutely cool. It's amazing. And so if you go there, you can see that they build these multiple pavilions along the lakeside so that people can sit and picnic and relax. There's one over there as well, and then there's one here, and it's just absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Kyrgyzstan right behind those hills. Absolutely amazing.